Is this responsible commentary on part of the Chief Minister?
Before I go ahead and comment on what the Honorable Chief Minister spoke, let me please remind you and your viewers that the former government leader of West Bengal, Mr. Joytosh Mojumdar, waited in the queue to be appointed as a judge of the Calcutta High Court, and he is no more now. Mr. Shakko Sen, the senior government advocate of West Bengal, had to resign and is still waiting in the queue. Mr. Amitesh Banerjee, the learned senior standing counsel of West Bengal, his name is still pending in the queue for appointment as a judge. I believe that the protection of judiciary, the upliftment and upholding of the constitution is now the foremost and most important part of India through the appointments, through the judicial appointments. How the judicial appointments are taking place, who are behind the judicial appointments, which persons are getting appointed as judges, not only in Calcutta High Court, but perhaps in every other place.
Okay.
This has nothing to do with not having faith.
Mr. Nag, I understand that. But then you can file an appeal, go to the Supreme Court, perhaps a PIL, I don't know. You are better placed to, you are better placed to judge what ways in which you can, get this checked, I don't know, explored, whatever. But to call the High Court judgment as BJP judgment, sir, as a lawyer, I asked you that question. As a lawyer, what is your take?
As a lawyer, I tell you, it was terrible for us when we saw that a sitting judge, before even retiring, declares that he will join BJP.
Okay.
I was ashamed yesterday when I heard that a judge saying that now I am free.
So, are we to believe you are saying, no, Mr. Nag, then are you suggesting that the judiciary is compromised?
I am suggesting that the people responsible for judicial appointments are compromised. I am suggesting that the people who are...
Mr. Sikdar, answer that.
Point. Before I just leave, I just want to make a point in a channel like CNN. It is time that the...
We are having a few issues in that line with Mr. Nag. Mr. Sikdar, respond to what we've heard.
Okay.
Are any rules? any barrier that a retired judge cannot join a politics? And if it's not so, then where is the problem? In India, everybody has right to join politics and choose their own party. So where is the problem? The main problem is Justice Ganguly has exposed the entire skeleton of this government and the corruption. So now the entire scam.
A judge of the High Court is not responsible to expose anything. He is there only to adjudicate matters.
Okay.
Exposing what?
Let me, Mr. Nag, let me read out what Mamata Banerjee. 1 minute, Mr. Sikdar. Let me bring out what Mamata Banerjee had said in 2012, May 3rd to be precise, and I am quoting. At present, there are 65 communities in the OBC category. Today, the cabinet has taken a decision to include 33 more castes and subcastes into the list, which will bring 98 of the identified 143 castes in the state under OBC category. And then she says, this will bring 99% of the Muslim community under this category, quote unquote, her words. Mr. Nag.
So what is the difficulty? If the economic policy of the state finds what is a backward class has to be identified through the economics.
Right.
For 33 years, the left rule in Bengal has only seen that, people going to be backwards. So in 2012, that is 1 year of coming into power. If the Honorable Chief Minister has identified the economic need of uplifting a particular community, it has to be done. It is a backward class. It is not about a religion. Class is on economics.
Okay, this was...
It might be that the Muslims are getting benefited, and it might be that because Muslims are getting benefited...
Mr. Sikdar, you have the last word on the show.
That's some problem.
Respond to that. That this is not based on religion, but based on socio-economic indicators.
See, this is nothing but just another way to express our appeasement politics. And but moreover, the judgment and the high courts. We have full faith on high courts and our judiciary system. This type of comment, this type of disobey of court has to be stopped. This is not at all a good practice when an elected chief minister attacks a high court judge in the public.
Okay, gentlemen, we've run out of time. Let's see how this discussion unfolds in the days to come. We're taking a quick break. Thank you for joining us on Times Now.